Today's video is sponsored by NordVPN. Get 70% off NordVPN, that's only $349 per month, plus you get an additional month free at the NordVPN link on screen or use code BrianTong. What's up? Brian Tong here, and welcome to the Apple Bits. It's everything good and bad inside the world of Apple. I'm just stoked and so happy for you that you're watching this because the title of this video, it isn't clickbait. This is the real deal right here. Apple has been ordered to pay users $25 an iPhone to settle the claims that it slowed them down in 2017. Now, Apple's agreed to pay up to $500 million to settle this long-running class action lawsuit in the United States that accused them of secretly throttling iPhones. For the details, this class action lawsuit includes all former and current owners of the iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 7, 7 Plus, and iPhone SE running iOS 10.2.1 in the US. And I know some of you are scrambling right now to find them, load iOS 10.2.1 on all of your old phones right now, but they had to be using the iOS version before December 21st, 2017. And this goes back to the iPhone slowdown when Apple introduced a new power management feature in iOS 10.2.1 that throttled the processor on older iPhones with batteries that they deemed less than optimal and slowed down their overall performance. Now, at the time, Apple said it was to prevent the phones from unexpectedly shutting down during times when it was drawing peak power, but it was only later in 2017 when they came clean and admitted to doing it after users widespread complained about their phones being slowed down. And then we had Primate Labs founder John Poole, who then revealed the connection between slower performance with iOS 10.2.1. Now, a class action lawsuit was filed in December of 2017 after Apple admitted it throttled iPhone performance, and part of that decision can be directly linked to Poole's findings. So, thank you, John Poole. You honestly deserve like at least $1 from every single person who eventually is going to get paid out. And again, each affected user in the United States will receive $25 based on the preliminary settlement, but it could go slightly up or down. Hey, AppleBits Nation, my peeps, a whole lot of you are going to get paid for using an iPhone after that whole fiasco. You know what? That's a good Apple. But if you noticed, I kept on mentioning users in the US. So for the rest of you, for now, that's a sad Apple. Now, Apple has not admitted to any legal wrongdoing, but they have agreed to the settlement, and it is expected to be approved on April 3rd, 2020. You know what? That's a day after my birthday. Woo! So now I can use all that money towards 1/40th of the cost of an entry-level 2020 iPhone. Okay, now, after all the fallout in December of 2017, Apple reacted by reducing the price of battery replacements to $29 for the iPhone 6 and newer through the end of 2018. You can also now track your iPhone battery performance as far back as iOS 11.3, and then the performance battery management system is now a user-enabled option. But none of this would have happened if Apple didn't try to hide it from us, and it's always a reminder that we need the truth, and the truth matters.
You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth!
Whew, that was intense, but I know y'all can handle it for $25 back in your pocket. So again, to recap, Apple will pay $25 to each iPhone user in the United States. That includes all former and current owners of the iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 7, 7 Plus, and iPhone SE that was running iOS 10.2.1 before December 21st, 2017. Now, once the settlement is finalized, you'll be contacted to claim it. It won't be anytime soon, but it will happen eventually. So I just wanted you to be aware that it's a coming. And for those of you that never felt anything was wrong with your iPhone, hey, you still get $25. All right, thanks again to our sponsor. NordVPN allows you to unlock your favorite apps like Netflix, YouTube, and your favorite entertainment sites from their over 5,000 servers in 60 countries. It protects your data while traveling in public spaces like at airports or coffee shops, so it can help protect those of you who are always traveling overseas or locally as well. It supports up to 6 simultaneous connections. There is double data encryption for increased anonymity, and it's compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. NordVPN even has an extension for your Chrome browser. It's been recommended as the best VPN by multiple sites and was an editor's choice, earning all the green checks on PC Mag. So right now, you can get 70% off NordVPN. That's only $3.49 per month. Plus, you get an additional month free at the link on screen or use the code BrianTong. All right, if you like this video, you know what to do. Give me that thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell, ding, to get all my videos when they drop. And if you want more Apple goodness, check out my weekly Apple Bits XL audio podcast. We just do a deep dive into these stories and more, the latest with special guests as well. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, be safe, and we'll talk to y'all soon. $25. Cash that. It's coming, all right? Peace.